Hi, I'm Sarah at rivertreelife.com, and I'm going to show you how to remove the roller ball from our Verona bottles so that you can refill it with more oil. What you'll need is a bin to catch the ball when it comes out, and a small pair of scissors that are slender, much like this. You can find them at any box store. Now hold the Verona bottle out like this, and you'll want to position the scissors underneath the ball, like that, and then squeeze, and it will take a fair amount of pressure. Just keep squeezing and the ball just pops right out. Now you'll see that that hole is a little bit deformed after doing this, but it pops back into place. You can put more oil in there and then slip the ball back into place once it's refilled, and it continues working. And we have refilled the same bottle several times like this, popping the ball out and putting it back in, and it always functions just fine each time. And that's how you refill a Verona bottle.